This is the Rode Wireless Go 2, and its predecessor was the Rode Wireless Go, which was already really good, but now they've made this one even better and packed it with a bunch of little features. So let's have a look. Now in the box of the Rode Wireless Go 2, you do get this nice cloth carry pouch, which can be used to store everything and have them all in one place. Then you get two mics, which aren't just mics, but more on that later. You get the receiver, 3 wind filters, 3 USB cables, and the aux cable to connect the receiver to your camera or other device. Now, when it comes to the actual features of the Rode Wireless Go 2, this is where it really shines, and this is where it actually becomes worth the investment. The Rode Wireless Go has the ability to record in both mono and stereo, which is great for video content, as that allows you to actually record either both the mics separately and have more control over your audio in general, or record them together if that is something that you want to do. In mono, the two mics actually record on 2 different channels. So the one mic will actually record on the left channel and the other one will actually record on the right. And then of course, when you're editing the video or the actual audio, then all you need to do is actually duplicate the audio of the mic on the other channel as well. So if the mic was on the left channel, just duplicate the left channel onto the right and you'll have only that mic audio in both left and right channels for that specific sound. And then you can do the same for the other one as well. The Rode Wireless Go 2's receiver can also be plugged into your PC via USB cable, and then you can actually use the Rode Wireless Go 2's as a wireless mic for literally anything you want to do on a PC, whether that is live stream, Zoom calls, or anything else that you might want to do. Now this makes it really versatile, as you can actually go out and buy only this mic and use it for multiple different systems. You can use it on your PC, for your camera, for your smartphone, and you don't have to actually go out and buy different mics for every setup. You can use this for your Zoom meetings, you can use this for your live streams, you can use this for your video content, and anything else that you might need a mic for. This will actually work, and it works wirelessly, which makes it even better. Other features include the ability to actually record up to 24 hours on the mics themselves, making it really good for people who do interviews, as you literally only need to take one of these mics with you and you can literally record the audio on this mic and you don't have to take anything else with you if the audio is the only thing that you need. Now this can also be handy for setups where you have multiple different cameras and you don't want to actually have your audio baked into one of the video files. Then you can literally record the audio on these mics themselves and then of course just sync up the audio with the video in post-processing. Now one thing that you do need to keep in mind with this feature is that you can only record up to 7 hours of high quality audio and up to 24 hours of compressed audio. So if you do need high quality audio, you can only record up to 7 hours. And if that is the deal breaker, at least you have 2 of these and you can still record up to 14 hours of content. Now, if you do forget to erase the audio on the mics themselves, you don't have to worry. Once it is full, it will actually start re-recording over from the beginning and just erasing all the parts that are already on the mic itself. So if you do forget to actually erase them and you don't have a laptop or anything with you, you can literally just start recording and it will just erase everything that's on there, so you don't have to worry about whether or not you have to always keep them clean. Another thing you can do is record in a safety channel, and what a safety channel does is it records the normal audio and then another channel has a lower level volume, which is just in case anything gets too loud and actually clips the mic. That way you can use the lower audio volume and then just sync them up together and still have usable audio in the end. Now this of course is good for people who are in environments where they don't have control of the audio around them. That way you can literally ensure that you never clip your mic because you have the lower level volume that you always use. If something loud passed by or if something loud happened, then you can just use the lower level volume and you don't have to worry about the clip that happened in the actual portion. As mentioned before, you can use these mics with your camera, your PC, as well as your smartphone, but just know that if you're going to be using it with your smartphone, to get the correct cable or the correct adapter to actually make it compatible with your smartphone. And then for those of you worried about the actual range of these mics, you can actually go up to 200 meters away from the actual receiver, which is really far, and in general, it should be more than enough for any video that you can or will make. And then lastly, if you're not a big fan of the blocky look of these mics, or having this block actually attached to your shirt, then you can always attach a lavalier mic to these and then just clip these to your pants or wherever else, and then just connect the lavalier mic and speak directly into that, and that will then become the actual mic of this unit. Now this is really cool as it allows you to get a better quality lavalier mic and literally connect it to the system and have it be a wireless lavalier mic system with amazing audio. And if you're someone that's looking at this and thinking, this sounds awesome, but I don't need two mics, then Rode has got you covered with that as well, as they've recently released the Rode Wireless Go 2 single kit, which is exactly the same as this kit, except you only get the one mic instead of two. And of course, that comes with a little decrease in price as well. Overall, I'm a really big fan of the Rode Wireless Go 2s. I've always thought that they have really good quality and they have a bunch of really good features that really make them worth the investment, and is really good for anybody who's looking for a wireless mic system for literally anything. This is a really good option for people looking for a more minimalistic setup as well, as you can literally buy this mic and use it for everything and not have to go out and buy multiple different mics for multiple different setups. You can use them on your PC, your camera, and everything else. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions on this mic or any other mics that I've done in the past, leave them down in the comment section below. I'd really love to get to those. Or if you want to reach out to me more personally, you can also reach out to me on any of my other social media platforms. I'll also respond to you over there. And then, as always, until next time, cheers.